Hello folks, in this video we are going to present a very simple and affordable smartphone adapter for the Slitlamp. As you may know, there are several video and picture systems available to attach to the Slitlamp, but many of them are very expensive. This one you folks can get for between $10 to $20 in the internet. So enjoy it. See you next time.
Sure. So this is how you adjust it. You loosen this nut right here, and this is how this opens. And then same thing on this side, you loosen this, and then this arm will move. You can adjust it to wherever your camera is at, and then you tighten it back down. And then this also adjusts right here. So this turns this way, like this, and then you can see these prongs on the inside will tighten right here. There's a prong here, here, and here, and this clamps down on the eyepiece. And so you loosen it to put it on the eyepiece, and then you can adjust it tighter so it clamps on. And then you adjust these right here and right here to adjust where your camera is at, and then fit this to your phone right here. It goes on like this, and then you tighten, and then it stays on, but your phone would be attached right there. So you basically take your phone, slide it in here, and adjust the camera. So you tighten on this side. Well, that's in place, and then adjust this. Which camera is yours? Adjust that over the camera, and then tighten, and then it's set up. And then you can place it on the slit lamp and adjust this to tighten on the slit lamp. And then you can put it on the lens here. And then it stays on like that.